Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset WebEx Cloud account, beginner guide step by step clearly. To reset your WebEx Cloud account, first, open your web browser. Navigate to the WebEx login page. Locate and click on the Forgot Password link. You will be redirected to the password reset page. Enter the email address associated with your WebEx account. After entering your email, click the Submit button. Check your email inbox for a password reset message from WebEx. If you don't see it, make sure to check your spam or junk folder. Open the email and look for the password reset link. Click on the link provided in the email. This will direct you to a new page for creating a new password. Enter your new password in the designated fields. Make sure to create a strong password that meets security requirements. Confirm your new password by entering it again. Once you've filled in the required fields, click the Submit button. You should see a confirmation message that your password has been successfully reset. Now, return to the WebEx login page. Enter your email address and the new password. Click the Sign In button to access your account. Congratulations, you have successfully reset your WebEx Cloud account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.